Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to create OnlyFans in Infinity Craft. So let us begin. Grab a earth and fire to create a lava. Now grab water and put it on it. Now you have a stone. Now combine stone with lava to create obsidian. Now combine obsidian with a stone to have a blade. Now take a wind. Combine to have a fan. Now take water and fire. Create a steam. Combine a fire and an engine. Combine two engine and have a rocket. The rocket you have a satellite. Then grab an engine and steam. Create a train. The rocket, make it bullet train. Combine these two and have an internet. Now on wind have Wi-Fi. Now grab the internet again and you have a connection. Internet and social media. Combine it with a fan or influencer. Now take earth and earth to create a mountain. You take a water and mountain to create a fjord. Now combine it with a water and you have a whale. Now take earth and wind to create a dust. Combine dust with a whale and a sperm. Now take a dust and combine it with other dust. Create a sand. Now take earth and water to create a plant. Combine plant and sand to create a cactus. Combine cactus with sperm. Come. Now combine these two and you get OnlyFans. I hope this helped you and I will see you later. Bye.